Hi, my name is Darlene Misiano, real estate broker at REMAX Titanium, and we are here in a beautiful neighborhood called Gulf Harbors in a town called Port Richey on the west coast of Florida. We are on the Gulf of America here, and we have our own private beach right here in this neighborhood. For only $200 a year, you have beautiful pavilions, beautiful white sand. Dolphins come in and visit us. We have lots of get-togethers, lots of social gatherings in this neighborhood, and there's no HOA here. But everybody takes really great care of their property, and we unfortunately had the flood last year with Flood Helene, so most of the homes in this neighborhood have all been redone, completely redone from inside out, and this is one of them. So this is technically a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath with 2 master suites in it, and or it could be a 3-bedroom with a den. However you want to set up the house. But the house is set up right now as a 4-bedroom, 3 full bathrooms. It's under 2,000 square feet, and it is beautiful, and I cannot wait to show it to you. We have lots of upgrades, and I'll share them with you as we go through the home. Notice the driveway is a huge driveway. You do have 1-car garage, but you could fit lots of people in this circular driveway. So everything's been redone. Paint, floors, molding, doors, handles. This is the laundry room, which is inside the home, and then it goes out to the 1-car garage. You do have cabinets in there. The washer and dryer does not convey with the property. Then you also have a coat closet right here, which is nice. Northerners love that. You have beautiful lighting and fans throughout the home, so take note of that. I love this floor. This is my favorite floor. It's the luxury vinyl plank floors, but it's called like a cement color. It is so beautiful. It matches everything. This is the gorgeous gourmet kitchen. The nice thing is you have a walk-in pantry, a huge built-in walk-in pantry. You have beautiful appliances. We have Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. You have double stainless steel sinks. You have this amazing quartz countertop. These cabinets are just absolutely beautiful. And then you also have this stainless steel stove and dishwasher. Okay, now this roof was just put on this year in 2025. All the appliances are also 2025, brand new appliances. Bathroom upgrades happened in 2018 and 19 with the quartz countertops and everything. The pool, you're gonna notice the pool was totally resurfaced in 2025. All the floors are 2025. The AC HVAC is 2019. And the screened-in porch is also in 2024. And the exterior paint was in 2021. And we're going to talk about the outside stuff in just a moment. But let's go over here. This would be your dining room area. You do have some blinds here, so you can get some light in. So you do have blinds throughout the home for some light. And then you also have fans throughout the home. Now, take note, before we go outside, these are beautiful, heavy-duty hurricane doors. Like, they are heavy-duty. But what we're going to do is we're going to walk around the house first, and then we're going to head outside to the beautiful area. I want to come over here real quick and show you this beautiful guest bathroom over here and bedroom. This was totally redone. You got beautiful seashell handles here. You have your quartz countertop, and you have your bath and your beautiful tub area with the tile all the way to the ceiling. And then this is perfect for guests. because you can make this a guest suite, and it has its own bathroom. This home also has 2 primary suites with an in-suite, but you can also use this room as a nursery or an office or a playroom, because it does have entrance to the primary closet this way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around, and then I'll show you how we enter into that closet. So also over here, you can put bar stools, and you have a beautiful breakfast bar here. This would be your family room, your entertaining area. It's opened off to the kitchen, so it's perfect for entertaining. The nice thing is you have your gorgeous view with the crystal salt water in the background, overlooking the pool and the boat dock. This is definitely beautiful boating living here. We also do golf carts in this neighborhood also. Over here is another primary suite, because it does have a bathroom with it. So this is also a great bedroom to make as a guest room. This also has been updated. It's a step-in shower, and then also does have a huge walk-in closet there. But what they have is a Murphy bed. So this is a great idea for a guest room, and they just have a Murphy bed in here. Now over here, they're using this as the primary bedroom. It does have doors, and this is just a bigger room in the home. Also take note of the skylight domes. I believe there's 2 of them in the home. One of them is in here in the primary. And notice the beautiful molding below. Now this is the other suite bathroom. That's the primary suite. Step-in shower. Everything's been redone. And then you also have this huge walk-in closet. And this is the closet that kind of goes through the other room that you could make a bedroom or a guest room or whoever. But you do have this door here and for that privacy. Now we're going to head outside the home. Now while we go outside, you're going to notice that the pool was resurfaced, and also all of this decking was redone. All of the screens were redone, okay? And so there's tons and tons of upgrades. You also have some fencing along here. It is all fenced in. The property is all fenced in. The pool is huge. We have great pool parties here. And then notice back here, they added beautiful paver patio, and they added this fire pit that does convey to the property. And in the garage, notice they also did the floor coating in the garage. And the Wave Runner floating dock does not convey with the property, but it is available for a negotiation. Now you have all of this greenery, so if you have a pet, you have plenty of grass space for them to run around, but they also have an outdoor shower and also redid this and repainted all of this. And look at this gorgeous palm tree here. We're on the Gulf of America, 1 canal over to the open Gulf. Very, very close to our private beach that I mentioned earlier. Also 15 minutes from Anaclote Island. You're just a few minutes away, 15 minutes away from Tarpon Springs, Florida. We have Spring Hill, Florida here, where you can go visit the mermaids. This is just such a beautiful area to live. And then you have your 10,000-pound boat lift here with the remote, which is ideal for those boaters out there. And they also added on this fish sink to clean the fish when you go fishing. Look at this beautiful bird. We call him Fred. And then you also have the floating dock. We get dolphins out here. We get lots of sea turtles, tons and tons of birds. But this is such a great boating community. And if you would love to see this home, please give me a call at 352-396-0734. And my name is Darlene with REMAX Titanium. Thank you and have an amazing day.